guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here coming to you all with a brand new video. Today's topic, I'm going to be talking about my brand new hair that I just got done yesterday. And if you guys want to see more, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I just got my hair done and I got a sew-in. This is my second sew-in ever. But this time I got a full sew-in. I really like it. The hair I got, it was from True Glory, but the top is from Crush on Hair, the closure part. And for overall, I really love this hair, and that's the thing about me. I really don't like sew-ins, because they usually feel like contained and like, I don't know, like my head just itches a lot. And yes, my head was itching, I guess that's normal. But the hair is really beautiful. The curls are popping. I got two bundles of I got two 20 inches and I got an 18 inch. They're all in body wave, as you guys can see, and I didn't dye the hair. I just kept it black. I wanted to go back to more of my old self a little bit, so I just kind of stuck with the black. The length is really long. It's really long, and I'm 5'1", and the hair comes past my boob area. It comes past my chest, and it's like mid-back length. And yes, do I recommend this hair? I do. It's really good. I got my hair in, well, actually we ordered two bundles offline off the True Glory website, and since I live in Georgia, we were figuring out that I needed another bundle for my hair, and so we kind of just went to like one of the locations. One of them is in Stonecrest, that's the one I went to, and got me an 18-inch body wave, and it works well. And the top hair is actually like I said, from Crush on Hair, I believe. This is actually Indian though. This is actually Indian body wave hair, and this is Brazilian body wave. It blended pretty well though, for the most part. I really love it. I've had it in for a good day now. Got it done yesterday, but I'm really happy and I'm content with my look. It made me look older. I'm 19, and well, it made me look more my age. Usually I look younger than I do with my regular hair, but yeah, I really like it. I do highly recommend this hair. I do highly recommend that people try sew-ins. You know, I mean, it's not for everybody. At first it wasn't for me either. But yeah, that's pretty much all this video is just really saying. And if I helped some of you guys out with this hair, then you guys can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if not, then I can try to answer some more questions. But like I said, I'm new to the sew-ins and hair stuff. My mom was the one that got me this hair, so I mean, like, I don't really know that much, but for the most part, yes, I'm really content with it. And yeah, that's all for this video, so peace.